English grammar, this, that, these, those. In this video, you will learn how to use these words in sentences in correct way. This and that. Note, we use this and that when we talk about singular noun that is close to us or far away. Let's do some examples. Example number 1. This is a cup. We use this because this cup is noun and it's near, it's not far. This is a cup. Cup is a singular noun. Example number 2. This is a table. A table is also a noun and it's near. That's why we use word this. This is a table. Let's do more examples. That is a tree. That tree is far away. That's why we use that, because tree is a singular noun. Example number 2. That is a house. That house is far away. It's not near. That is a house. Negative and interrogative sentences. Example number 1. This is not a cup, because this is a table. So in negative sentences, we use not. This is not a cup. Interrogative sentence. Is this a cup? In interrogative sentences, we always use is at the beginning and we use question mark at the end of this sentence. Now let's learn how to use these and those. Note, we use these and those in sentences when we talk about nouns that are close to us or far away. Let's do some examples. Example number 1. These are pens. We use these because pens are two nouns, two things. That's why we use are, because these are two nouns and these are close to us. That's why we use these. These are pens. Example number 2. These are laptops, because laptops are two nouns and these are close to us. That's why we use these and then we use are, because these are two nouns. Those are trees. Those trees are two nouns and trees are far away. So we use those. And we also use are because trees are two nouns. Example number 2. Those are houses. Houses are two nouns. Negative and interrogative use. Let's do some more examples. Example number 1. These are not pens. Example number 2. Are those laptops? In interrogative sentences, at the beginning we use are because laptops are two nouns, two things, and we use question mark. Quiz. Now it's your turn to test your knowledge. Fill in the blanks. Sentence number 1. Blank is a cup. Which word should I use? This or that? I will give you 3 seconds and you have to decide which one should you use, this or that. 1, 2, 3. This is a cup because cup is near. Sentence number 2. Blank is not a pen. Which one should we use? Is this tree near or far away? 1, 2, 3. That is not a pen because tree is far away. Blank or laptops. Which one should we use? These or those? I will give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. These are laptops because these are near. Sentence number 4. These blank pens. In this blank, which one should we use? Is or are? I will give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. The right is are because this is not a singular noun. These are two pens, so these are two nouns. That's why we use are. So this is the end of this video.